Hi, everyone. Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. I'm with Viswa today, and we're going to be discussing a few things related to the efforts we have in India to offer quality training to that great continent. So one of the things that I think is very important is there's some common questions that come up that we need to address, and we're going to try and address those right now. So first of all, what kind of common questions do people have as they're considering accounting training, especially in India, as it relates to the United States?
Yeah, the students who take, or the people who take our course will be the one who are in early in their career. So they wanted to know like how it will help them in their career.
Well, the first thing is there's a lot of people out there that are interested in learning small business accounting procedures, as it's the most common place that accounting is needed, in the sense that small businesses are typically left alone in the trainings offered in colleges and universities. Those are generally preparing individuals to work in larger corporations and
Yes.
in large accounting departments. This training is specifically designed to help an individual understand what really goes on in the day-to-day applications of accounting in small to mid-sized businesses. And for that reason, what we're doing is we're teaching the entirety of the accounting model, from creating chart of accounts all the way to producing financial reports. And that's one of the things that's unique about the training that we offer. The other thing that I would say is the second point is the fact that it actually offers accredited certifications, or if I could say, certifications that as a post-secondary school we're able to offer and give individuals to show that they are proficient in the accounting that's related to small businesses. And so they can be certified as, for example, professional bookkeepers, QuickBooks specialists, professional tax preparers. Those are some of the things that I think matter most as people are considering this.
Okay. Yeah, you gave a lot of information which will help the students while deciding on pursuing the course. That question will be on the cost benefit, like what kind of cost benefit benefits will have for the students.
Well, obviously, when you're out trying to either find employment or if you're going out and trying to get clients of your own, anytime you can have a third party, such as a post-secondary school, training and then certifying your skills, it adds to your credibility, because rather than just simply saying, I know how to do accounting, you have on your resume a certification saying you've been trained and tested to having certain skill sets. These certifications then prove their worth in the sense that it's showing that you're obviously serious in your career, to the point that you've personally taken the initiative to go get trained, and that the training and certification you've received is recent. It's not something that you received 5, 10, 15 years ago. It's something that you received this year, last year. So as you're looked at and compared to other accounting professionals, it's obvious that you take serious your profession and that you're current in your skill sets.
Yeah, that is nice to hear. And the other question will be like whether the students will get a certificate after the completion of the course.
Yes. So when you complete the courses, our programs are designed so that when you pass the final exam with a 70% or above, you receive a certificate of completion. You've passed and taken that course. But when you take the programs and pass them with a 90% or higher, you receive, in addition to the certificate of completion, a certificate of certification. And that certification allows you to carry out to your name a designation of the corresponding course. So if you were to go through the professional bookkeeper program, pass that with better than a 90%, that allows you to then carry after your name the PB designation. And so that's something that obviously comes upon completing the course, and it's offered through Universal Accounting, which happens to be a post-secondary school.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And the other question we have, our students have, is what is the practicability of the professional accounting course?
So what you're doing is you're just basically looking at it as it's showing that you're proficient in the day-to-day applications of accounting in small to medium-sized businesses. So in other words, you're familiar with setting up the chart of accounts, recording all the transactions, preparing the financial reports such as the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow statement. It's really becoming a full-charge bookkeeper.
Okay. So the other question they might have is like, what kind of support universal accounting gives them if there is any query while taking the course, like if they have some doubt on something or.
Excellent question. And it's very common. Obviously, as you're going through the training, you might have a question. There's a few things that I'd like to point out first, and then I'll answer it. The first is because this is an independent study course, there's no rush. And so if you have the need to maybe rewatch one of the training videos and view it a second time, entirely appropriate because you're able to go at your pace. If you need to pause something and think it through, there's no rush. The practice exams that we give you a chance to kind of experience the questions that you need to become familiar with so that you can answer those. But to your point, what kind of support exists? We have basically online and email support. You have the ability to reach out to your coaches, and they're there to respond and help you through the training. You are assigned a specific tutor, and this tutor is meant to help you learn the material as you're going through the training, all with the purpose of helping you pass that final exam.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for your information. And
Well,
these are the, yes.
Well, one of the things that I want to just end in closing is simply say, as you get enrolled in the training, just understand that your success is our success. We're very committed to helping you complete the training in a timely way so that you can get the certifications that you're needing to excel in your career. We've been doing this since 1979, and as a post-secondary school, get a great deal of satisfaction of helping accounting professionals get the confidence they need to go out and pursue their career goals. So just understand this. Accounting success is universal, and we're committed to actually helping you with this. So we're looking forward to this endeavor to bring this proper accounting training to India and help you actually prepare for a great career in this profession. So take care, understand that we're committed to your success, and with that in mind, if it's about accounting, it's universal. Take care.
Yeah. Bye, Roger. Thank you. Thanks for explaining the details to our students.